Well, originally from Sudan, Nubian people who migrated to Kenya are facing hardships, including the loss of lands they have lived on for generations. They said the government has not kept its promise to award them title deeds for the land, and many face eventual eviction. Lenny Ruvaga has more from Nairobi.
Businesswoman Hamida Mala Hassan attends to her customers in Kibera, a place she calls home. It is Kenya's largest informal settlement. On average, she makes a profit of $200. However, hers is a unique case. Being Nubian, Mala Hassan has faced lots of challenges in applying for citizenship in Kenya. The Kenyan identity card enables one to be officially recognized as a citizen by the government, and without it, getting services is hard. According to Mala Hassan, her community is held back by this lack of recognition in Kenya.
You don't have security of tenure. You cannot take loans, bearing in mind that loans are taken with guarantees. If you don't have title deed, you don't have guarantees for bigger loans, whereby you need to develop, you need, the bigger the loan, the bigger the potential, definitely. So those are some of the limitations we have as a community. We cannot develop.
Mala Hassan is one of approximately 100,000 Nubians in the country. A century ago, Nubian soldiers and their families who worked for the British colonial army were settled in Kibera. However, they never owned the land in any formal way. Today, Nubians living in Kibera don't possess deeds to the land that was originally theirs and face eviction. Shafi Ali Hussein is a human rights advocate of Nubian descent who has been fighting for the rights of his fellow Nubians for the last 10 years. Through the Nubian Rights Forum, Hussein has been lobbying the government to award not only citizenship rights to the Nubians, but also grant them a communal title deed to the land in Kibera.
Statelessness became over the challenge of someone getting the documents, such as ID card. When a Nubian go for an ID card, he or she will be asked to bring so many documents. And the law stated very clear, you can come with only one parent document.
The country's National Land Commission has been tasked with undertaking land reforms in a bid to rectify historical injustices. However, Dr. Mohammed Swazuri, the chairman of the National Land Commission, downplayed the situation, refuting claims by the Nubians on their statelessness.
They may not have title deeds, but there are many other Kenyans who have no title deeds. And you can't call them stateless. These still are Kenyans. Not everybody is expected to have and own a parcel of land. So without a title, it doesn't mean you are stateless.
But for many of the Nubians in Kibera, the struggle continues. Lenny Ruvaga for VOA News, Nairobi, Kenya.